function key for brightness not working on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix the function key for brightness not working on your Windows 10 or 11, then just follow the steps. So in my computer or in my laptop, I have F2 or F3 as the brightness. But in general, the F2 function key is used to rename the files and folders on Windows computers. So to manage dual tasks on a single function key, an additional Fn key is provided on the keyboard and laptops. For many laptops, pressing the F2 key without pressing the Fn key lowers the screen brightness. But pressing it along with the Fn key performs the basic task like renaming the files and folders. If your laptop has an Fn key, press it with or without the function key to use your control screen brightness. But if that doesn't work, then the second method is if the Fn key doesn't work, or if your PC does not have the Fn key, the problem might be associated with your keyboard. If you have another keyboard, use it and see if it helps. If it doesn't, then run the keyboard troubleshooter. You just need to simply type in troubleshooter in your Windows search and go with troubleshoot settings and go with other troubleshooters. And here you will have your keyboard troubleshooter. You just need to simply go with keyboard and go with the right side and then go with run and run the keyboard troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions to follow the process. The method 3 is you need to open up your device manager. Once you open it up, now you just need to simply go with the monitors, and here you will have your integrated monitor. So right click on it and then go with update driver. Go with search automatically for drivers, and if it says that drivers for your device are already installed, then you just need to simply go and uninstall the device or the driver and again install it. And after installing, your problem might be fixed. And after that, you can restart your PC and that's it. But if reinstalling your keyboard driver or your monitor driver doesn't work, then try reinstalling the display driver. To do that, you can right click and go with the device manager, go with the display adapters, go with the Intel graphics or NVIDIA GeForce. You just need to simply right click on it, go with uninstall PC or your laptop, and it will automatically reinstall. After that, you need to restart your PC and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix function key for brightness not working on your Windows. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.